which is the third step from Crystal Trifecta. If you have troubleshootings or a difficult time to get your crystal stay on, this is going to be your bestie on your station. That's all you need. I have it right here next to me, a little like container tiny here with the condensed glue gel, no wet top coat, and pre-seasoned glue gel. So then I can get ready every time the client is asking for crystal placement. So now with the 40 gel, remember I shared with you, and if you feel like at any edges that you feel the clients might catching, you can definitely seal that as well, but you don't need to do it on the top of the flowers because the flower is already tag free. So I'm gonna check around, and if you remember that I sealed right on the top of the metal chains right here, and also on the metals is beads and the metal chains. So, and I'm gonna seal it again to double secure that and then prevent it from getting tarnished and washing your hands a lot. We're using a lot of hand sanitizer, so you want to make sure they are like definitely seals and protect. I want to go around here with the chains right here to make sure the chain is really cool and secure. And then before I'm moving into the next one, because we have a lot of beautiful like elements in here, so I'm gonna flash cure it first and then I'm gonna move to the next nails. Okay, flash cure 10 seconds or 30 seconds, and then we're gonna move into yeah, right, yeah, did I say it not right? Yeah, oi, yeah, noi, I can't see it from far. Yeah, yani, yeah, no. Okay, you have to teach us how. We'll make sure that we're not saying it wrong. Yeah. Okay, so move on to the next one. I'm going to seal. Can you see me? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Mika, thank you so much, Mika. Move this one on. Just don't do it away. I move on the side, but don't do that a red cap away. We need those because you want definitely to keep it protecting. And every time you feel scratchy, right here, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. Just a little bit. Little go a long way. You don't want to flood it, your crystals. You want to seal it on the edges and make sure it's all that the gap and the scratchies area to seal it, but you don't want to flood it, your crystal. Now, if you want to cover your dragon scales with the with precision glue gels, absolutely you can. It won't hurt at all. But if you want to give it like the effects is like that, you can leave it like that. Yanori. I'm fast here. Yanori. Yanori. Did we say it right? That's awesome. Thank you. We just want to make sure. I'm excited. Here is my brush. So sparkle, yeah? Oh my god, too much. You know what? If you feel like too much, keep looking at it and it become really simple. I'm gonna seal it again between this is going on to this. I'm gonna seal the frame right here. Everything with the frame and the metals, you want to seal it completely. You don't want to seal this. You want to just doing it seals on the edges, not on the top. I'm gonna go around with the crystals. Crystals gonna be going around to make sure they are protected on the base. And then moving on this one. Get a little frame right there. Little beads right here. Alright. Flash cure quick, because if you need to do more than like I usually do 2 nails and flash cure, you don't want to do all 10 nails because there are a lot of precision glue gels. You don't want the client to tilt different angles that they might be is shipped doing the clients moving their hands. I can't pick which one their favorites, but I say I like this one a lot. It's really like, this is like, just ignore all the rest of my nails. If you have a client doing a set of this with 2 ring finger, it looks good, huh? Like with the clients doing like really beautiful wedding nail, simple set. But you know, be amazed, a lot of our clients at a wedding, they doing like really fancy nails. They don't do just only ombre, pink and white. They're doing like a lot. I say a lot, I mean a lot. It's not like little a lot, it's a lot. Like cover the nails with, the nails have the what is that, the encapsulate already, and they cover all, and then encapsulate. They're not like even peekaboo like me here, a little bit here. They cover everything. Gone. All right, so I seal the last ones on the edges and on the top, and then now you're gonna phone cure is 60 seconds. So if you look at my desk on the top down, well, seeing it, it's a mess. So don't worry, enjoy when you create your nails, and also when you're doing for the clients, just put it off, put it away later after you finish, so then you won't feel, well, sometimes it's everybody different. Some people will do clean it first, organize first, and then okay, this is naked, but it's had the cat eyes naked in there. See that?
It's pretty.
You can put the frame on it to make it look like a pendant, you know. And then the cat eyes do like that, so you like do it like this, the cat eye, you see the cat eyes. So I'm having fun with it. Like, you got nothing to do, just go in here and just do your nails, just see that cat eyes moving. So here is a complete set. And if you want to see, if, let me know, comments, let me know if you want here. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, good. Let me know